Hair that breaks easily, that's unmanageable and feels rough, needs a ritual that will deeply nourish and rehydrate it, as rehydration means strength and softness. With MORPHOSIS Repair and its formula rich in camellia oil, vitamins and vegetable ceramides, the damaged hair shafts get back their strength and body, and all the hair instantly looks shinier and full of life. Before starting the ritual, a trichological and dermatological checkup with a micro camera will help diagnose the actual condition of the hair and scalp. Start the ritual with Detox essence. Apply on the dried scalp and massage it in for a few minutes with a light touch. So prepare the scalp and hair to receive the treatment. The scalp should always be thoroughly cleansed with a gentle exfoliation. This essence is perfect for sensitive skin. The MORPHOSIS detoxified essence is enriched with fermented organic arnica extract, tea tree oil and arginine. This product has oxygenating properties and removes impurities while protecting the scalp from free radicals. You can keep boosting scalp circulation with the scalp massaging brush. After the massage, emulsify the detox essence with little water to dilute it, then rinse thoroughly. Step 2. Repair shampoo. Continue the ritual with the gentle super hydrating wash of the MORPHOSIS Repair Shampoo. Enriched with camellia oil, hydrolyzed microphytokeratin and vegetable ceramides, it deeply repairs and restores the hair fibers with an effective replenishing action. Carefully massage on the scalp and through the lengths, then rinse thoroughly. Towel dry the hair to remove excess water. Step 3. Repair rich treatment plus Sublimis oil pure. In the bowl, mix a dose of MORPHOSIS Repair Rich Treatment and Sublimis Oil Pure. Rich in camellia oil, hyaluronic acid, panthenol and ceramides, the conditioner is made even more hydrating by the addition of passion flower, seed and argan oils. Carefully apply the blend onto the strands, massage it in and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with plenty of water and dry the hair. MORPHOSIS Repair is the perfect treatment for stronger hair as it leaves it deeply repaired and nourished.